In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a course with Tutorlms. If you're looking to create an online course with a comprehensive system, Tutorlms is a fantastic tool. Let's dive into the process of setting up your course. First, you'll need to access the course builder. Begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Once there, navigate over to Tutorlms in the sidebar and click on Courses. If you're starting fresh, select Add New to create a brand new course. Alternatively, if you're continuing with an existing one, simply choose it and click Edit. Next, let's configure the basics of your course. In the Course Basics section, you'll start by entering a clear and concise title. This is crucial, as it's the first interaction potential students have with your course. The course URL is auto-generated from the title, but you have the option to customize it for clarity. In the course description, provide a detailed overview that outlines what learners can expect. This is your chance to hook them with enticing benefits and outcomes. To visually represent your course, upload a course thumbnail. Selecting relevant course categories will help you keep your content organized, and adding course tags can enhance your course's searchability. You'll also need to indicate the difficulty level by selecting whether it's a beginner, intermediate, or advanced course. Specify the total time required to complete your course in the course duration field to give students a clear expectation. List any course requirements or skills needed to ensure the right audience enrolls, and clearly define the course target audience so interested learners know it's tailored for them. Once the basics are set, it's time to add some content. To add lessons, click on Add Lesson and enter the lesson title and content. Tutorlms provides a built-in editor, or you can integrate with a page builder like Elementor for a more customized design. Adding quizzes is just as simple. Click on Add Quiz and define your quiz settings, such as the passing grade, time limit, and question types. Enter the questions and provide the correct answers to complete this section. If your course includes assignments, select Add Assignment, fill in the necessary details, and upload any files students might need. Now, set pricing and enrollment options for your course. If you're planning to monetize it, you can set a course price. Choose an enrollment option. It can be free, paid, or subscription-based offering recurring payments. Adjust visibility settings as per your preference. Public, private, or password protected to control access. Once you've configured these settings, you might want to assign an instructor to your course. Head over to Course Settings where you can enable or disable course previews, set enrollment start and end dates, and enable certificates of completion. You may also choose to set prerequisites for enrolling in your course. Finally, with everything in place, it's time to make your course live. Review all sections to ensure everything is as it should be. When you're ready, click on Publish. Your course is now live and ready for students. Congratulations on setting up your course with Tutorlms.